Hey, SCIFI explorers.
Ever wondered what would happen if you could hop into a time machine and change?
Well, everything, buckle up, because we're diving deep into the mind-bending world of time travel paradoxes.
Time travel isn't just a cool movie trick, it's a portal to some of the wildest scientific and philosophical questions humanity has ever dreamed up. And trust me, things get weird.
Really weird. The grandfather paradox. Your existence hangs in the balance. Let's start with the classic mind twister. The grandfather paradox. Imagine you build a time machine and hoops. Accidentally prevent your grandparents from meeting. Spoiler alert. That means you might never exist.
Marty McFly knows this struggle all too well. One wrong move, and you could literally erase yourself from existence. Talk about high stakes.
Thibaut-Ostrov paradox. Chicken or egg?
Or neither.
No, things get even more bonkers.
Picture this. You travel back in time with Shakespeare's complete works. You drop the book, Shakespeare finds it, and publishes it as his own. But here's the million-dollar question. Where did the book actually come from?
Mind blown.
This is what physicists call the bootstrap paradox, a time loop where the origin of something becomes impossible to trace.
Christopher Nolan's Tenet absolutely loves playing with this concept, and honestly,
so do I.
Parallel universes. SCIFI's ultimate cheat code.
Enter the multiverse. Remember Avengers Endgame? Those clever heroes found the ultimate workaround to time travel paradoxes. By retrieving infinity stones from alternate timelines, they dodge the whole accidentally destroying reality problem.
Quantum mechanics suggests that every decision creates a branching timeline. One universe where you have pizza, another where you choose salad. Mind-blowing, right? Thematically affect one
small change. Ray Bradbury's A Sound of Thunder nailed this concept. Imagine stepping on a prehistoric butterfly and returning to a completely different present. In The Flash, Barry Allen learns this lesson the hard way every time he tries to save someone. He creates total timeline chaos.
Albert Einstein enters the chat. His theory of general relativity suggests massive objects can warp space-time, potentially creating wormholes.
Interstellar wasn't just cool, SCI was scientifically grounded storytelling about time dilation. And it's not just Hollywood.
Japanese anime like Steins Gate and Your Name bring incredible depth to time travel narratives.
They're not just playing with time, they're exploring connection, destiny, and human emotion. If you could travel through time, what would you change?
And more importantly should you.
Time travel isn't just about cool special effects. It's a mirror reflecting our deepest human desires, to understand, to change, to connect. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, drop a comment with your favorite time travel story, and let's keep exploring the incredible possibilities of the universe.